Editing a home video project and your NVP file won't open after reinstalling Windows? Nero Vision projects contain your entire timeline and edit decisions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you recover and reopen these video editing project files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party NVP file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. NVP files are video editing project files, created by Nero Vision, the video editing and DVD authoring component of Nero Multimedia Suite. They contain video timeline arrangements, clip references, transition effects, title overlays, audio track configurations, menu designs, and disc authoring settings for DVD and Blu-ray production. NVP files are video editing project files created by Nero Vision, the video editing and DVD authoring component of Nero Multimedia Suite. They contain video timeline arrangements, clip references, transition effects, title overlays, audio track configurations, menu designs, and disc authoring settings for DVD and Blu-ray production. The NVP file is widely endorsed for use with Nero Platinum Suite developed by Nero AG. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows previews many video container types, but effect editing needs professional software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your NVP file and select Open With. If Nero Platinum Suite is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If the NVP file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because your NVP file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, open in Nero Vision. Install Nero Multimedia Suite or Nero Video and launch Nero Vision. Use File. Then open Project to browse to the NVP file. The project loads with your complete timeline including clip arrangements, transitions, titles, and disc menu designs. Verify that all reference media files are accessible in their original locations. Next, relink missing media. If clips appear offline after opening the project, Nero Vision prompts you to locate missing media files. Browse to the new locations of your video and audio source files. Update each missing reference to restore the complete timeline. Keep media files organized in a consistent directory to prevent relinking issues. Finally, export the final video. With the project restored, render your final output using Make Movie or Export. Select the target format, such as MP4 DVD or Blu-ray, and configure quality settings. Nero Vision encodes the timeline with all transitions, effects, and titles applied, producing the finished video or disc image for distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.